Jessica Mendoza had a chat with Maricar Nepomuceno. Let's listen in.
I'm here now with Maricar Nepomuceno of the NU Lady Bulldogs, a rookie who scored 13 points in their game against FEU. Hi Maricar!
Hello.
Sa palagay mo, ano yung ginawa mong tama sa laro niyo last time?
Siguro yung self-confidence lang. Yun kasi yung number 1 na kailangan eh. Tas yung parang killer instinct, yung ganon.
So, paano masasabi na mai-encourage mo yung teammates mo to step up in their game like what you did?
Yun nga, meron naman kaming floor defense, tsaka may attacks din naman. Kaya lang minsan sa sobrang kaba kasi, parang na-stack up sila sa game. Tas yung siguro kailangan cheer lang, yung ganon. I-enjoy lang namin yung game namin para lumabas yung laro ng bawat isa.
Alright, thank you very much Maricar and good luck to you later. That was
Barcelona, the team captain of the Lady Maroons. First game niyo for the year. Kailan kayo ulit nag-practice after the holiday break? At kumusta naman yung mga practices niyo?
We actually trained over the break and they were pretty good. We had to work on a lot of our flaws during the most part of the first round. So,
at second to the last game niyo for the first round, anong mga adjustments or improvements ang kailangan niyong gawin dahil nasa bottom half kayo ng standings?
definitely our defense. During the break, we had to work on a lot of our movements inside. And, well, yeah, they were pretty good. And hopefully, mag-take effect yung adjustments na ginawa namin.
Okay, thank you. Once again, that was Kathy Barcelona of the Lady Maroons.
Maybe a little too much, according to her, in attacking. And Steph currently ranks number 2 in scoring in the league. But still, I see on the stats that we have on our sheets here, our information here, that Lasang still ranks number 1 as a team in terms of blocking.
Oh, that's correct. I think it's more of there's not one person who really stands out in terms of blocking because it's everyone. Everyone, no matter who is at the front line, they get to block properly. And you see earlier had a chance to talk to Coach Ramil also to see how they managed or at least tried to, still keep in shape and in top condition over the holidays. He was...
They do have the height and they do have explosive players like Zihar Vasho. At malakas din ang frontline ng Ateneo. So meron talaga yung ibibigay yan. Backed by a very, very talented setter. Ang setter ng Ateneo si Jem Ferrer. Yan nga ang ganda nga nung papanorin natin ngayon na April Jose versus Jem Ferrer. Puro mautak yan eh. So medyo meron din tayong sidelights.
Cerebral.
Oo. Talk about sidelights. Kung kailangan ka manood ng sidelights, okay lang po itong dalawa yung papanoorin mo.
Alam mo, si Rachel Andakis, kahit na hindi na siya naglalaro, when she comes in, may naririnig mo pa rin yung mga tao.